Previous video we did some styling to our anime component. Now what we want to achieve is that whenever user clicks on any of the anime, then user should go to the detail screen, right? So right now is a list screen of all the anime, and once any anime is clicked, the user should be able to go to a screen where they can see the details of the anime. So the approach here can be that we obviously need a pressable on the anime instead of having a view, and we need to capture the press event and what has to be done after the press event. So one approach can be that instead of rendering this anime, we can render the detail screen, right? We can create a component called as detail screen and we can render that, but that will be a naive approach. The correct approach is, and the most commonly used approach in such scenarios, is to implement something called as navigation, right? So in navigation you have screens, different screens, and you can navigate from one screen to another screen, and you can also pass data from one screen to another screen. So let's see how can we implement navigation in React Native. So we need to go to this website, so you can just search React Native navigation and we can click on this. We'll click on read docs. That's fine, we don't need to read the docs. And what we'll do is we'll install a bunch of dependencies. So first and the foremost is we need this. Then what else we need? We also need to have these two dependencies. And apart from that, we don't need anything as such, so we'll install these dependencies. Once we have installed, we will go and search one more thing, that is React Native Stack Navigation. We'll click on this link and we will copy this. We'll again come back, we'll say yarn add stack. Now we see that there is a dependency of this library, that is React Native gesture handler. So we'll also install that. And once we have installed all of them, what we can do is we can rebuild our project, because we need to rebuild our project. In order to do that, we'll open our server and click on A. Once we click, the application will rebuild and we'll continue after that.